Hey guys, welcome to Fast Lane. I am here, the One Moto Show. Big shots like me, we get in early. This guy's laughing. Yeah, he knows all about it. Him too. There's a lot of bikes here, so let's go on in. So this is like the coolest thing ever, dude. Just wandering around, hobnobbing with the big boys. Actually, I'm not. Nobody knows me from Adam. So I snuck away from the show. I was hungry. It's 10 o'clock. I'm gonna be there all day. Got some Subway. It doesn't matter where you go, even overseas, you can always find a Subway near you, somehow.
Thank you, Subway. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, we got another Monopoly man hat. You guys can you see something you like, they're just like us, man. Make the noise. Oh my! I'm just saying. Isn't let these guys stay at the seat. Looks like Daniel. Oh my co-host giving the name.
You're so cute. Oh my gosh. Hey, Peanut! Hey, Peanut. Oh my goodness, you are precious. He's like, I'm good. Who's this guy?
So I saw Tor canoeing down the river. I think he's long gone by now. Well, as you all know, I'm Bert Furness. I'll be taking over the one show from now on. I've been trying to get rid of that Tor guy for a while, so pretty excited to be here in front of you guys. Awesome job.
So as soon as it started, it's over. This was one of the best weekends I've had in the longest. This is like the best motorcycle show I've ever been to. It's more of a community thing. It's not just a show. Yeah! See there? You got to come to the one show, make your plans next year to attend. And I'm going to tell you right now, if you can only make it for a day, that's fine. Half day, whatever. You can make it for the whole weekend. It's going to be the time of your life. Come to the one show next year. It's Fastlane.